King Lear, inspired by Shakespeare's tragedy. King Lear, once a mighty and wise ruler, decided to divide his kingdom among his three daughters, Goneril, Regan, and Cordelia. As he grew older, he believed that by stepping down from power, he could spend his remaining days in peace and tranquility. Before he gave away his kingdom, however, he wanted to test his daughters' love for him. He called them to him and demanded they declare their affections in front of him. Goneril and Regan, the elder daughters, showered him with extravagant and deceitful praise. They spoke grandly about their love, telling Lear exactly what he wanted to hear. Foolishly swayed by their flattery, Lear granted them large portions of his kingdom. However, Cordelia, the youngest daughter and the one who truly cared for him, refused to engage in such dishonesty. She simply stated, "I love you as much as a daughter should love her father. No more, no less." Furious at what he perceived as a lack of affection, Lear banished Cordelia from his kingdom and divided it between her elder sisters. As time passed, Goneril and Regan revealed their true natures. They cared only for power and wealth, betraying their father's trust. Lear, now homeless and mad with grief, wandered the countryside, eventually realizing too late that Cordelia was the only daughter who genuinely loved him. In the tragic conclusion of the tale, Lear was reunited with Cordelia, but their happiness was fleeting. They were caught in a web of betrayal, war, and loss, resulting in devastating consequences. King Lear's story serves as a poignant lesson about pride, the nature of love, and the dire consequences of blind trust in those who do not have our best interests at heart. It remains a powerful reminder of the fragility of human relationships and the importance of discernment in matters of the heart. Pride and blind trust lead to tragedy. True love is honest.